going to show you how Carousel Chat can be used to put together a full P&L model for a new restaurant. Here, I'm asking it to create an assumptions tab, a revenue sheet, a cost sheet, and a full P&L summary. First, it's going to read my existing sheet, seeing what's already there, and then it's going to build a plan outlining all the steps that it will take to create the full model. First, it's going to start with this assumption sheet, pulling in key drivers like revenue per guest, fixed costs, variable costs. Then it's going to move on to the revenue build, and it's going to link all the revenue build formulas back to something on the assumption sheet, which is really cool because then you can tweak the assumption sheet and see how your model actually updates. So properly functioning model. At the end, I'm going to review this guy, check that all the formulas are correct. Looks good. Then I'm going to see the next step it suggested, which is to build the cost sheet. Okay, cool. Let's go do that. First, it's going to do the variable costs and make sure that everything works correctly. And then it's going to do the fixed costs, super straightforward. Lastly, it's going to put together kind of this P&L summary sheet where it's going to pull data from the revenue build, cost build, and basically get that into an output dashboard for us, just as we asked. Cool. Once it's done with that, it's actually going to go ahead and try to format the model, which is really important. We want the model to look pretty, not just be functional. Want to make sure that carousel outputs are presentable. So it's going to say that it wants to format all 4 sheets. Now, I don't actually want it to do that. So instead of hitting continue, instead I'm going to send a message and redirect it to what I want it to do, which is to go sheet by sheet and give it financial model formatting. So if you ever don't like a step that Carousel suggests, you can say stop or give it another instruction in the next message. Super simple. That's the Carousel flow. It reads any context that you give it, finds the right place in your work to make changes, formulates a plan, moves through that plan step by step, and always checks in for your approval before continuing. It's like having a really competent intern working alongside you, helping you save time and build models faster. So the entire thing here, from a blank sheet to a polished multi-tab model, took about 15 minutes of real time. This video is obviously compressed for demo purposes, but this would have taken me probably an hour to 2 hours to build from scratch, and it saved me 80 to 90% of the time that it would have taken. And yeah, with Carousel Chat, building models from scratch is way faster and a whole lot easier. So yeah, that's Carousel Chat.